Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel CA Sansar. First of all, I appreciate or I most of the thanks to CA Vivek Khurana sir to provide me such a best opportunity to talk in front of such people. Uh, my name is CA Kirti Goyal and I am currently working in a manufacturing company, Chemisto Food Private Limited. I have a more than 2 year experience as a chartered accountant. Today's topic is GST on advertisement services. Let's we discuss ki what's the advertisement services will be provided by advertising agencies, what's the GST rate will be charged, and how we can claim the input of the GST on advertising services. So we first of all discuss what is advertisement. Advertisement play a vital role in the current situation. Without advertisement, we can't make a necessity of our product in the mindset of the people. And whenever we are not able to make a necessity in the mind of the people, we can't sell or we can't popular our services. Advertising is the popular source of strong communication with the user of product or services. In today's world, the advertising agencies use various modes of communication to reach out with the buyers. Such modes of communication are mails, hoardings, posters, sounds, radio, etc. The advertising agencies convert ideas of seller to buyer in the means of hoarding, poster, sounds, newspaper, magazines. Advertising agencies convert the thought process of the seller in the mindset of the buyer. They create the necessity, they create the mindset of the buyer in such a way that buyers are attracted towards our product or services. In India, GST on advertising agencies imposed. So it's a very clear that GST will be imposed on advertisement expenses as well as advertising services provided by advertisement agencies. Simply GST on magazines, newspaper, television, hoarding, etc. will be applicable. GST is applicable to all modes of advertising, sale of space in digital media as well as print media. It is very clear that GST will be charged on all modes. Basically, there are two modes of advertising services. First of all, advertising through digital media, advertising in print media. So, whenever we provide services of advertising through digital media or print media, we have to pay GST on both of the services. Advertisement services categories, let's we see, there is a two types of the category, digital media or print media. Both are most popular in the market. First, we see the digital media include YouTube, Facebook, Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, which is the most popular source in the today's market is digital media. Print media print media generally includes newspaper, magazines, pamphlets, brochures, etc. So we discussed advertisement in print media in detail. Print advertising is a widely used form of advertisement. These advertisements appear in newspaper or magazines and are sometimes included as brochures or flyers. As you generally see in the Lakshminagar markets, most of the pamphlets are distributed or circulated of many teachers. Whenever you receive the advertisement or whenever you receive the pamphlets, only after that you will aware that the some particular or some new teacher will provide the teaching services. Without advertisement or without pamphlets, you are not knowledgeable, you are not aware from the services of that teacher. So only advertisement help us to know about the marketing criteria, marketing services, what are available in the market, what are the competition, what are the many product, and what are the benefit of that services. We are able to comparison between the different products, that these products are best, these classes are best. We can comparison the price as the strategy of the company also play, as we check that which services and which product are most beneficial, because the customer only focus on the advertisement. Through advertisement they create the necessity in the mindset that we should buy these products. For instance, ABC Private Limited is a leading newspaper publishing company. एक एबीसी लिमिटेड कंपनी है जो हमें न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश करने की सर्विस देती है. इट सेल्स स्पेस ऑन इट्स न्यूज़पेपर टू ए बिजनेस एंटिटी. वो अपना न्यूज़पेपर में एक बिजनेस एंटिटी को एक स्पेस सेल करती है कि आप अपना एडवर्टीजमेंट उस कॉर्नर पे उस जगह पब्लिश कर सकते हो. इफ द पब्लिशिंग कंपनी चार्ज ₹5 लाख फॉर सेल ऑफ सच स्पेस, then GST payable on same will be 25,000. That means on 5 lakh you have to pay GST at the rate 5%. एक न्यूज़पेपर कंपनी है जिसने अपना स्पेस सेल आउट करा एक बिजनेस एंटिटी को कि यू कैन पब्लिश एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पेस एंड द कंपनी चार्ज 5 लाख रुपीज, then we have to pay GST at the rate 5% on that services of advertisement agency. So the advertising agency can recover 25,000 from a customer as a GST and pay the same amount to the government. So the GST level on advertisement in print media is 5%. Advertisement in digital media. Digital advertising is basically delivering promotional content to users through various online and digital channels. The advertisement can be published in various digital media like website, email, or SMS. You can generally see that most of the website show inside right side, left side that these are the teachers available in the market. These are the products. These are the like Mintra, Facebook, the Flipkart, various app also advertise in various websites. So these advertisement help us to know about the market trend. Advertisement on digital market media is liable to GST at the rate of the 18%. So you check that GST in case of the print media, GST will be charged at the rate 5%, and GST in case of the digital media is 18%. So digital advertising is basically delivering promotional content to the user, which is most popular in the current situation. Two parties include in the digital media. First of all, advertiser who want to advertise a product, idea, services, etc. And second party is the publisher who publish these advertisements. For instance, Mr. X is a website owner who sells space on his website to a business entity. Mr. X charge rupees 2 lakh for sale of such space. GST payable on the same will be 36,000. It means 2 lakh into 18%. मतलब एक मिस्टर एक्स जो वेबसाइट का ओनर है उसने अपना स्पेस को सेल किया एक बिजनेस एंटिटी को और उसने 2 लाख रुपए चार्ज किए। तो डिजिटल मीडिया है तो हमारा जीएसटी का जो रेट लगेगा वो 18% लगेगा। So that's why Mr. X will charge 36,000 as a GST amount and recover the same from the business entity and paid it to the government. What is the tax liability when advertisement are provided through advertising agency? अब इन्होंने कहा कि टैक्स लाइबिलिटी किसके ऊपर आएगी, कब आएगी और कैसे आएगी, जब हम एडवर्टीजमेंट को एडवर्टीजमेंट एजेंसी से लेंगे। एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी इज बेसिकली अ बिजनेस कमिटेड टू प्लानिंग, क्रिएटिंग एंड हैंडलिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट फॉर इट्स क्लाइंट। एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी क्या करती है, एक बिजनेस कमिट करती है प्लानिंग करने में, क्रिएट करने में, हैंडल करने में क्लाइंट के लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट को। वो बताती है कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, किस तरीके से एडवर्टीजमेंट करना चाहिए, whether you have to choose print media, you have to choose digital media. So they provide all these type of the services. अब एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज दो तरीके से काम करती हैं। when an advertising agency operate on a principal to principal basis, मतलब जब वो खुद ही ओनर होती है सारी सर्विसेज की। when an advertising agency acting as an agent operates on a commission basis, जब वो एक सिर्फ और सिर्फ कमीशन बेसिस पे काम करती है किसी वेबसाइट ओनर के लिए कि मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको कमीशन बेसिस पर सर्विस दूंगी। तो दो तरीके से एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी काम करती है। सो लेट्स बी डिस्कस इन डिटेल अबाउट these services. When an advertising agency operate on a principal to principal basis, when an advertisement agency acquires space from the newspaper website and sell the same advertisement purpose to its client on its own account, जब वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी जिम्मेवारी को लेते हुए एक्वायर करती है स्पेस को न्यूज़पेपर से, वेबसाइट से, मतलब प्रिंट मीडिया से, डिजिटल मीडिया से, और वो सेल कर देती है उसी को एडवर्टीजमेंट के पर्पज से अपने क्लाइंट को, तो उसमें वो जीएसटी खुद चार्ज करती है। एडवर्टीजमेंट एजेंसी खुद अपना जीएसटी चार्ज करती है। हाँ, हम इसको एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझते हैं। Suppose the newspaper offer an advertisement space at rupees 5,000 per unit to an agency. एक एडवर्टीजमेंट एजेंसी को एक न्यूज़पेपर ने स्पेस ऑफर किया 5,000 पर यूनिट का, एंड द एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी सेल द सेम स्पेस टू इट्स क्लाइंट एट द रेट 6,000 पर यूनिट, और वही सेम स्पेस एडवर्टाइजमेंट एजेंसी ने उसको 6,000 में अपने कस्टमर को सेल कर दिया। इन दिस केस, इस केस में क्या होगा, कौन किस किस से कैसे कैसे जीएसटी चार्ज करेगा, हम अब देखते हैं। द न्यूज़पेपर शैल बी लायबल टू charge GST at the rate 5% on rupees 5,000, because उसने एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी से 5,000 रुपीज चार्ज किए तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 5,000 पर ये जीएसटी लगाएगा। प्रिंट मीडिया है, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू चार्ज एट द रेट 5%, एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी विल बी लायबल टू चार्ज जीएसटी एट द रेट 5% और रुपीज 6,000, बिकॉज एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी ने कस्टमर से 6,000 रुपए उसी सर्विस के चार्ज करे तो उसको 6,000 रुपए पर जीएसटी कस्टमर से रिकवर करना पड़ेगा। तो देयर आर टू केसेस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक हमारी हमारी जो न्यूज़पेपर कंपनी है वो चार्ज करेगी हमारे बायर उससे एजेंसी से चार्ज करेगी और एजेंसी हमसे चार्ज करेगा, मतलब जो बिजनेस एंटिटी उसे सर्विस लेगी तो वो उसको जीएसटी चार्ज करेगा। When an advertisement agency acting as an agent operates on a commission basis, जब एक एडवर्टाइजिंग कंपनी किसी मीडिया से न्यूज़पेपर कंपनी से या फिर वेबसाइट ओनर से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लेती है कि हम आपको सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करेंगे ऑन अ कमीशन बेसिस, ऑन ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस, दैट केस फॉल अंडर दिस cases when an advertising agency acquires space from the newspaper and sell the same space for advertisement purpose to client on behalf of the newspaper, it shall be liable to pay gst at the rate 18% on the sales commission received from the newspaper। इस केस में क्या होगा, जीएसटी सिर्फ और सिर्फ 18% जो कमीशन होगा उस पर ही चार्ज होगा। फॉर इंस्टेंस, सपोज एन एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी सेल्स स्पेस टू द क्लाइंट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ए वेबसाइट not on his own account for rupees 2000 and receive a commission of rupees 300 from the website. In this case, the advertising agency shall be liable to pay GST at the rate 18% on the sales commission। इस केस में क्या होगा, इस केस में कंपनी ने 2000 रुपए कस्टमर से चार्ज करे और उस सर्विसेज के लिए जो एजेंसी है उसको 300 रुपए एज अ कमीशन मिला, तो टोटल अमाउंट जो हुआ 2300 हुआ। एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी मतलब जो हमारा मेन वेबसाइट ओनर होगा वो हमारे कस्टमर से चार्ज करेगा 2300 रुपीज एंड 2300 रुपीज चार्ज करेगा। इन 2300 वो 300 रुपीज एजेंसीज को पे कर देगा एज अ कमीशन और 2000 रुपीज अपने पास रख लेगा और एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी को सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने मार्जिन पर जो कि 23 माइनस 2000 ओनली 300 रुपए पर कमीशन पे करना पड़ेगा। सो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल केस दैट यू वांट टू स्टार्ट एडवर्टाइजिंग बिजनेसेस एंड यू हैव टू थॉट दैट which amount and at which rate you have to pay the tax। So in case you providing the services of print media, you will charge at the rate 5%। if you provide digital media, so you have to pay 18%। you will recover the 18% from the customer, later on paid the same amount to the government। Now the question arises whether we can avail the input tax credit on advertising services, whether we can take the input of the tax which we pay to the government। Yeah, sure, the supplier of the advertising services are eligible to avail input tax credit। For taking credit, GST registration is mandatory for advertising services। You have to register yourself on GST portal for availing the input tax credit। Such a credit availment is subject to condition mentioned in the act। You have to fulfill that specific condition for claiming input tax credit। Now the question is that can we opt to a composition scheme? No, the provision of composition scheme is not available on advertising services। Let's we summarize rate of GST on advertising services। Selling of space for advertisement in print media, we have to pay 5%। Other advertising services, it means the digital services, digital media, you have to pay 18% GST to the government। So if we thought that you are starting business of the advertising services, so you have to clear that you will have to pay 5% in case of the print media, and in case you are providing digital media services to your customer, you have to pay GST at the rate 18%। and you thought you have to start a business on principal to principal basis, you have to pay GST on gross amount। in case you are providing advertising services as advertising agencies on a commission basis, you have to pay GST on commission amount only। and from the business perspective, if you want to avail the advertisement services from the owner of the website or owner of the newspaper, you have to pay 5% in case of the print media, and in case of the digital mode you have to pay 18%। so you have to choose the option on the basis of your company strategy, your company's trend, at which option we should be opt, and it's a very clear you can claim input of the advertisement GST which you pay to the government। so advertisement agencies concept is now close, and hope so you will able to understand all the concept of the advertisement services, and what should we do and how we take the advertisement, how we can claim the input on advertisement services। Thank you।